Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter cookies. Here I have flour, salt and baking powder. Here I have peanut butter room temperature. To that I will add butter room temperature too, sugar and 1 egg room temperature. After I combined everything, I will add the flour little by little and mix. First I'll shape them into balls. Okay, I made 26 in total. And now I will press on them to flatten them out. Just make sure the edges are smooth and there is no cracks in them. This is a butter knife. I will press on it 4 times and then the opposite side 4 times too. Or you can use a fork and just to press and remove, and then the other side again, just to press and remove. After you finish, bake at 350 for about 8 to 10 minutes. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment and hit the notification bell.